let's have ChatGPT code as an application. And this time I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create an 8-ball application. Remember when you take the 8-ball, you ask a question, you shake it, and it'll give you an answer? That's what I want. So let's see how many requests it takes for it to write the entire application. Let's get started. Write an application written in C# representing which is an 8-ball. Let's just say, let's be a little vague and see what it does. Okay, hit enter, and oh, it didn't even say anything. Usually it says like, sure thing, here's the code, or here's a representation. It just started coding. It kind of knew that I was trying to see how fast this could be done. And it knew exactly what I was talking about. You can see it's writing out the responses. It is certain, it is decidedly so, without a doubt, you may rely on it. This is exactly what an 8-ball does. And what I find a little bit interesting is there could be an 8-ball in a pool table game, right? And it knew exactly what I was talking about, a magic 8-ball. And even I just remembered that that was the name, a magic 8-ball. I kind of remembered it was just the 8-ball game that was laying around and I would ask questions. It knew exactly what I was talking about. So let's go ahead and let's see. This application simulates a magic 8-ball, a toy used for fortune telling or seeking advice. The user is prompted to ask a question and then the program thinks, quote unquote thinks, for 3 seconds before displaying a randomly selected response from an array of predefined responses. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and copy and paste this code and let's get to it. So I have Visual Studio open and I'm gonna go ahead, erase everything and paste it. As you can tell, oops, what happened here? What did I copy? Oh, I highlighted everything. What a dummy. Let me go ahead and paste it one more time. Whoops. There we go. And now we have our 8-ball application. So let's go ahead and run this. And what does it say? Welcome to the Magic 8-Ball. I like that it says welcome and it has a greeting. Please ask a question. Let's say, should I learn how to program in C#? It's thinking, it's going to take 3 seconds. And what happened? Oh, that was it. It wrote out the response and we don't have a read line, which is common in a console application. Pretty much everything finished and the application shut down. So let's go back and complain to ChatGPT. The application closed after the question was answered. Could you please wait for the user? Can you please, I'm telling it to wait. Can you please rewrite the application, asking the user if they are done asking questions? And let's have it rewrite the entire application. So let's see. What I'm noticing is that it's just writing code immediately. Like when I was using it in the last couple of days, it would actually like answer my question and then write code saying like, certainly I can do that, or give me just a moment, we can do this and that. It's just writing code now, like straight to it. Okay, so now it's done, and yeah, let's copy and paste and see if there's any difference. Okay, here we go. There we go, and let's hit start. What do we got now? Welcome to the Magic 8-Ball. Please ask a question. Should I shower today? Thinking, 3 seconds of thinking. And better not tell you now. Do you want to ask another question? Here we go. So now I can say yes or no. And if I say no, the program is terminated, or the application. I keep saying program. That's just the way I am. Should I learn to program in C#? Thinking. Very doubtful. Do you want to ask another question? Yes. Am I going to graduate? Thinking. Cannot predict now. Do you want to ask another question? No. Okay, so it wrote the entire application. I'm not surprised at this point because ChatGPT is very good at what it does, and it did it very, very, very fast. Let's throw a curveball and a kicker here. While the Magic 8 ball is thinking, can you show some sort of animation? Let's see how well this is done. All right, it's writing the code. Let's wait for it to write the code, and the code is done. Let's see. So it actually wrote, what is it saying? Oh yeah, okay. The animation is done by using the console.cursorLeft and thread.sleep500. Okay, so it has an animation. Let's copy and paste this code and see how our application looks. I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste this. Boo, boo, boo. Okay, let's run it, and I'm excited to see this now. All right, should I make YouTube videos? It's thinking, oh, that is so cool. That is nice. I love it. I love it. And my source says, no, I shouldn't make YouTube videos. Do you want to ask another question? And that's going to be a no. I'm going to go ahead and change the font so you guys can see the console application a little bit better. 1 second. Okay, here we go. That's much better. That should look better on your screen. I'm going to say, should I order pizza? And look at this. This animation looks very, very nice. It's thinking, it's thinking. Now let's do one more kicker before I end the video. Let's make it a little harder for ChatGPT. And let's ask, can the animation be a spinning slice of pizza? Can you make the animation a spinning slice of pizza? It just starts coding. It doesn't, like, I guess I'm waiting for it to be like, I don't think I can do that. It immediately starts to write code. It doesn't even respond to me anymore. All right, let's wait for this code to be done and let's see what happens. Okay, so it wrote the pizza animation and it's done. Let's copy and paste it. Now I am even more excited. Let's go to Visual Studio, copy and paste this whole thing, and let's see how it looks. Start. All right. Should we order pizza? That doesn't look like a slice of pizza. Oh man, I was really, really excited. Do you want to ask another question? No. I like the older version more. The animation's a little bit weird. Let me regenerate. Let's say, can you make the animation 3D? Oh, unfortunately, it's not possible to make a 3D animation on a console window. Okay, cool. However, you can simulate 3D animation by using characters to create an illusion of 3D using ASCII art. Cool. Could you make the animation as an illusion of 3D art using a 3D slice of pizza using ASCII art? Let's take advantage of the ASCII art. This will be my final request and we are done. So let's wait for this code to be finished. And okay, so it's writing the pizza animation. I can clearly see the slice of pizza. And before I write this, okay, it's done. Let's copy and paste. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna add toppings to it, but let's copy and paste. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, start the program. Should we order pizza? Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's so nice. But I think the font is what's messing it up. It probably had a nice animation, and the font is what's messing it up. Let me change it real quick just to make sure that's not what it is. Let's go to properties, and then let me go back to a 28. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yes, should am I going to be rich? No, it's not that. The animation is like a one line. Like that's it. That's what's happening here. So that's okay. I thought this was fun, and if you guys want me to make more of these videos, let me know. Hit the like button. If you guys have special requests, leave them in the comments, and I'll make another video. And thanks for hanging out.